Well, there it is, boys. That's the new 582. She's all installed. I do have some pictures of the build, but I didn't. Hey, Bubs, what are you doing up here? What are you doing? You playful little thing, you. I did take some pictures of the build, but I didn't do any video because it was just a crazy week. I had to get that 496 customer's motor done, and off to the dyno there on Friday, and I got dyno video too, so I'll post that at the end here. This of the 496. I had this one at the dyno too, but I didn't trial fit that intake manifold, and when I got to the dyno, I put the intake manifold on and it didn't fit properly, so I decided not to mess with it and just take it home and get it fitting properly, and then I just put it in the car here and got it running. So this one won't get on the dyno, but I have a good idea how much horsepower it makes. I mean, it's probably around 1,000. Yeah, I got it running, and I'll show you guys that too. But had a little bit of a hard time getting the timing set. The degree wheel for the timing wheel there for the crank trigger wasn't in the same spot as I had it last year. For some reason, I was out of adjustment on the timing, and I think it has something to do with that MSD grid. So we got the MSD grid in there. I put that in. I don't know if you can see it here, but it's got the grid. We had that programmed at 38 degrees timing, and it seemed like we just couldn't find the happy spot. So finally I got it at 38. So now I just got to put in the start retard because it has a bit of a hard time starting. The motor's got a lot of compression, so. But yeah, it's all done, and got my little throttle cable bracket here that I made, and the only thing left to do really is to hook up the throttle cable. I got to make another bracket coming off the intake manifold back here to mount the cable. I'm still waiting for a drive shaft, so that should be here hopefully beginning of next month. It's the end of April now. We're pretty close to it. I'm supposed to get that beginning of May, so then I can take the sucker for a test drive. But it runs pretty good. It took a little fine tuning. I mean, it's hard. It's so hard to breathe in here because I run M5 fuel, and I got the doors open, fans going, windows open, and it's still brutal in here. So I mean, I didn't have a whole lot of time to tune it. I'll have to wait till I get the drive shaft, and I can tune it outside. But she sounds pretty mean anyway. And we used, quite a bit of fuel. This empty. We used 10 gallons of fuel to run it and try to get the timing set and the throttle set and everything. So, yeah, I got a bit of a headache and my nose is still burning. But no, I got to put the diaper on it yet after I change the oil. It's got break-in oil in it now. So I'll dump the oil and have a close look at that, and then I'm sure everything will be fine. Put some fresh oil in it, warm it up again, check the valves, and then she should be good to go to the track. But I'll get some video of it running here, and I'll get some video of that 496 dyno run, and I'll see if I can post some pictures of the build. I think I have pictures of some pictures of this build and some pictures of the 496 build, so I'll try to see if I can edit all that in there. But I haven't made a video in a while again because it's just been crazy in the shop. The same old story. But I'll get on it here, and thanks guys for watching, and thanks for all the thumbs up and everything. I know you guys don't get a lot out of me because I don't make videos very often, but stay tuned. There's still lots of good stuff coming as soon as race season starts. So thanks.
I stay in there?
No, it's too loud in here for me.
Here too, that's fine. Been running.
I'll go in there and make a video.
No,
He wants to go in there and make one.
okay, sure. All right. It's not too bad for loud.
Good now.